How do anti-cancer foods stop cancer cell growth? Imagine your body as a busy city with countless roads and signals guiding traffic. Cancer cells are like rogue vehicles speeding through, causing chaos. Now, certain foods act like traffic controllers, slowing down or stopping these dangerous vehicles. When living with cancer, knowing how specific foods can help your body fight back is empowering. These foods contain special compounds that work in different ways to keep cancer cells in check. Many anti-cancer foods are packed with antioxidants. These are natural molecules called phytochemicals, including polyphenols, flavonoids, and carotenoids. They help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage your DNA. When DNA gets damaged, it can lead to cancer. Antioxidants absorb these harmful free radicals, preventing that damage. Some phytochemicals even activate your body's own antioxidant defenses, like enzymes called superoxide dismutase and catalase, which help protect your cells. Chronic inflammation is another factor that can promote cancer growth. Foods rich in polyphenols, such as turmeric, contain compounds like curcumin that block inflammation pathways. These compounds reduce molecules like interleukin-6 and tumor necrosis factor alpha, which promote inflammation. By lowering inflammation, these foods help reduce the irritation that can make cancer cells grow and spread. Certain foods can also trigger cancer cells to die naturally through a process called apoptosis. Green tea contains a compound called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, which can activate this process in cancer cells by affecting their mitochondria. Tomatoes, which have lycopene, work similarly by activating mechanisms that cause cancer cells to self-destruct instead of dividing. Anti-cancer foods also interfere with signals that tell cancer cells to multiply. For example, quercetin, found in apples, onions, and berries, reduces the activity of genes that promote growth. Camphorol, present in kale and spinach, cuts off the energy supply to cancer cells by inhibiting how they consume glucose. Without enough energy, cancer cells slow down or stop dividing altogether. Cancer cells communicate through specific pathways that help them survive and spread. Foods rich in polyphenols can block these pathways, like mape or pie 3 degrees Kelvin. By disrupting these signals, anti-cancer foods prevent cancer cells from thriving and metastasizing to other parts of the body. Some compounds in foods can also change how cancer-related genes are expressed. Curcumin from turmeric can modify microRNA molecules, which influence protein production in cancer cells. This can help turn on tumor suppressor genes that normally prevent cancer from developing. Research shows that some anti-cancer foods can work alongside traditional treatments like chemotherapy. For example, camphorol may help overcome resistance to drugs like 5-fluorouracil by affecting specific molecular pathways. This means eating these foods might make treatments more effective. Foods like green tea, tomatoes, garlic, and cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli and cabbage are especially rich in these helpful compounds. Green tea provides multiple cancer-fighting substances at once. Tomatoes offer lycopene, which blocks growth signals. Garlic contains compounds that influence how cancer cells survive and die. Broccoli and cabbage have sulforaphane, which prevents harmful chemicals from turning into cancer. Adding these foods into your daily meals can give your body multiple layers of protection. Because they work through different mechanisms, eating a variety of anti-cancer foods offers broader support. While they are not replacements for medical treatment, they can be a helpful part of your overall approach to living well with cancer.